Welcome to Trivia Pad. I'm Monkey, your bourbon-sipping host who knows things. Let's test your science knowledge. First up, let's talk physics. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? The answer is approximately 299,792 kilometers per second, or about 186,282 miles per second. Next, chemistry. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? It's nitrogen, making up about 78% of the atmosphere. Now, biology. What molecule carries genetic information in living organisms? It's DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. Finally, stars. What is the closest star to Earth, other than the Sun? It's Proxima Centauri, about 4.24 light years away. Cheers to all the science enthusiasts out there. See you next time.